We decided not to be chaotic in town. We came here professionally, in silence, just to come inquire. Because we promised salary will be by 13, latest last week. Again, yesterday we received an internal memo addressing staff that salaries will be paid anytime from today. It is long overdue, and this issue of salary delay is becoming perennial. We are urging our employer to consider processing staff salaries on time so that it does not disadvantage us on meeting our daily bills. Now that we had not seen these salaries in our accounts, we decided to go for it here so that it can be issued to us physically. And we've been directed by our members that until the salaries hit our bank accounts is when they'll resume their duties. We've had a phone conversation with the Waziri Finance, who has assured us that salaries will be paid anytime from today. And we are waiting for that feedback from him so that we can have surety, then communicate back to our members. Thank you. Ginyinga ilunganike ni Jamisi.